Today we're gonna be committing a controlled crime. Brad, I love you, but I woke up this morning just with this desire to just really piss you off. So in the past, I've asked Brad to take his Jeep to do things. Like before I had the truck, I needed it to do some running around. I was like, Brad, take the Civic, take Courtney's car to work. And he always says no. He's like, no, I park in a very sketchy area. I don't trust that thing, which barely locks, to be left around at my work. He's just like, no, you can't do it. So he walked right into being the perfect candidate for just highway robbery. And not only that, the kid happens to be my roommate, have the key to his Jeep right here. I want him to walk up and go to just like a full-blown panic attack mode and hopefully not come kicking my ass afterwards. So I robbed the spare key out of his nightstand, got some jacks, got some tools. I'm sorry, buddy. Alright, I actually have no idea where he parks. I know that the reason he thinks it's sketchy is because they filled all the parking at his construction site. So every single person, this needs to go away. Everybody that he works with has been parking on the street, which means that there's like a whole block where he could possibly be parked. What is this? Holy shit. Checked for the I'm a broke boy crack across the front windshield. That's Bradley's Jeep. I tried to hide my truck behind like a couple trees here. I really don't know what building he's working in. There's a good chance he can see us even though he's legally blind and really can't see much. He's in an ideal location because this isn't a busy road and there's like no one around. But let's just try and do this as quick as we can and then get the truck out of here just for the off chance that he does look down. No, I'm okay, thank you.
Can you do this?
I'm pranking somebody.
Pranking means?
Like I'm gonna take the wheels and pretend they got stolen. I don't wanna lie to him because then we're gonna vanish. He's gonna be like, what the hell happened? These are the keys for this. Works. I took it from his nightstand. I'm gonna take all the stuff out of it and just scare the hell out of him.
Oh. We're just gonna be right down the street.
He's like, I'm gonna need a photo of you. So I literally took a photo of me and the key in front of the Jeep. I don't think he believed me, but
we told him all the information.
I told him, you have a photo of me. Do with it what you like. Hello? Hey, okay, so we're pranking Brad. If he calls you, he's not the kind of guy to call the cops. So he's either gonna call you, me, or Lucas, because Lucas is around. If he calls you, don't panic, okay?
What are you doing?
I took all the wheels off his Jeep and I kind of just like completely fucked the inside of it.
Oh my god.
Somebody's coming, he's on the path. I can see him, I'll find my friends. It's go time, baby. Oh, you can see him?
No,
oh, he sees it.
He just beeped.
He beeped it. Oh, shit, there he is. Ah, shit. Did that guy tell on us?
Cannot do that.
Dude, I was gonna let you rot. I was just gonna let you suffer.
My god.
That's hilarious. Oh, that was funny.
Dude, you scared the f out of me.
You're welcome.
I was thinking, oh my god.
Shit.
Oh man. This is terrible. I was calling my dad, almost called the cops.
I'm a little upset that that guy tattled on me, but...
Well, I'm happy that guy did, man. I'm shaking. I am really shaking.
That was good.
You got me really good. Jesus, man, this is holy. This is intense. Just like thinking, I was like, I'm gonna have to call you or something because it's like, we need a jack, I need wheels.
I need
and he's like, how did they even do that? I'm like, dude, I don't know.
So confused. I was like, this really happens?
I guess I gotta get one of the things with the key.
You have it. I have your key. I have your spare key, so I just went in there and took your...
Honestly, I was like, oh, at least it has jack stands. That'll be good for the shop. I swear to God, I was thinking that.
Or you were on the phone with your dad?
Yeah, I couldn't even, he wasn't even answering either, so this was super stressful because I didn't know what to do. I don't know what
I guess
to do.
he's right around here, right? So he would have helped or done something.
Right over there, yeah. Well, there's nothing he could have done.
No, but he could have came.
Exactly, he could have came and just been like, oh man, this is brutal. That really got me, like 100%. I said to Lucas, I'm like, oh, well, at least I got my spare tire, so.
Oh, what an idiot. I got 3 lug nuts on it.
That's take.
It's the easiest one to take.
Yeah. It's the worst day ever. Like Lucas is gonna have to drive me home. Like, can I even get a tow? Like,